Hello. Today I'm going to demonstrate how you can leverage IntelliMagic Vision to perform analysis of your IBM Spectrum Virtualize environment regardless of the hardware platform. In this example, we will demonstrate how to use IntelliMagic Vision to detect performance impacts of disabling the SVC write cache. IBM Spectrum Virtualize software virtualizes your block storage environments, allowing you to manage your storage environment in a single pane of glass. In this diagram, you can see the SVC running Spectrum Virtualize software residing between the servers and the storage. Spectrum Virtualize runs on a variety of IBM hardware including SVC, V7000, V3500, V3700, and V9000. The SVC resides in the front of the storage hardware and provides centralized management of the capacity on the back-end storage systems. During normal write cache operations, a host write will enter the preferred node's cache and then be sent to the partner node. Upon completion of the write by the partner node, the host receives an acknowledgement that the write has completed. The write is then scheduled for D-stage to the back-end storage, or in the case of data that needs to be replicated, will be scheduled for replication as well. When the write cache is disabled for a volume on SVC, the write will not be placed in the SVC cache, nor will it be mirrored to the partner node. It will pass through the SVC and go directly to the back-end storage controller. In reality, there is coordination between SVC host and the back-end that I did not include in the diagram in order to keep it manageable. It has been suggested that in order to maximize throughput for large sequential operations on SVC volumes residing entirely on IBM Flash systems, that you should consider disabling the write cache. During this video, we will look at whether this was true for the workload we examined. In this case, we want to look at the storage pool EP Flash 3 write response time for a week while the write cache was enabled. In this case, we see that the write response time is not good. In fact, the rating is 0.86, which indicates that the write response time is posing a significant risk to the health of the environment. In an effort to improve the write response time, we decided to disable the write cache for the storage pool. Now let's take a look at the write response time with the write cache disabled. This chart represents the front-end write response time for storage pool EP Flash 3 for the days of 9/10/2015 through 9/16/2015. The chart is red, indicating a significant risk to the performance of the environment, and the rating is 2.41. This is actually much worse than the rating when the SVC write cache was enabled. Let's use IntelliMagic Vision to compare with the previous 7 days. The chart on the left represents the time period when the write cache was enabled, and the chart on the right represents the time period when the write cache was disabled. The average write response time increased 94.38% and by a real value of 1.87 milliseconds. Disabling the write cache was very detrimental to the write response time. In this brief video, we demonstrated how disabling the SVC write cache can be detrimental to the performance of your SVC environment. For more information on how IntelliMagic Vision can reduce risk and improve performance in your environment, please contact us at info@intellimagic.com.